Hi everyone, let's talk about bot today. We will see how we can use Microsoft and Micro Focus technologies in order to build easily a bot. A bot which can work on several, channels, including Skype for business, if you want to build your own bot to automate any kind of task and process. Let's take a use case. Let's start with an application, Facebook. I'm an end user, Michael Betan. I would like to connect in my application. So I will try my password, but unfortunately, I'm not able to log in. You can see on the screen the password is incorrect. So I have to reset my password. In order to reset my password, I could go to Skype for business. You can see my picture and all my colleagues in my companies, and I will be able to talk with a bot. The bot was named in this example IT Help Bot, and it's an orchestrator, HPE Operation Orchestration Bot, which will help me to resolve my incident and solve my problem. My problem is I would like to reset my password on the fly automatically. So let's chat with the bot. Hello, hi there. I need help. I would like to reset my password. Then it's asking me a confirmation. I could say yes, or I could say no. Let's say yes. And then on the fly, it will automatically fulfill the request using the orchestrator behind the scene. And I can just say no, bye. I don't need anything else. And then behind the scene, it will trigger inside HPE Operation Orchestration a workflow, an operation orchestrator workflow. We can see, the workflow just executed here, and it will do several tasks in order to reset the password. The first thing, it will create an incident in ServiceNow. Then it will create a service request, a change inside ServiceNow as well. Then it will generate a new random password, send the password to the end user through emails, through message, and then uh, it will reset the password on the fly. I can see here on HP Operation Orchestration, the graphical workflow executed in order to resolve this incident. If I'm going to ServiceNow, I will be able to go to incidents and I will be able to see 1 minute ago, an incident has been opened by IT Help Chatbot. If I open the incident, I can see a short description, the category like urgency, the state, and so on. I can also go to change request and see the new change executed on the fly by the orchestrator. It has created a new change with the right priority, the risk, the impact, and so on. If I'm going now on my email and get message, I will be able to see, a new password sent on the fly by the bot in order to get my new password generated. It also sends a text message and it sends me on my phone and the new password. HCM Orchestrator has generated a new password, HP100 2017. Now, if I want to connect to the application, I am able to log in with the new password sent by the orchestrator bot, and I'm able to connect to my Facebook account. So it's working properly. I can also search for, HP Operation Orchestration on Facebook, and you can have the same bot available on Facebook Connector in order to do exactly the same thing we did with, Skype for Business. I would like to reset my password now. No. And then it doesn't execute the reset password. Behind the scene, we have used Bot Framework. Bot Framework allows us to connect to any kind of adapters, Skype, Telegram, and so on. Behind the scene, in this specific demo, we have used Bot Framework in order to connect to any kind of adapters like Facebook, Skype, Telegram, emails, Microsoft Teams, and so on and so forth. This bot is just here. If I click on it, you will be able to see all the channels connected. On this specific demo, you can see Telegram, Skype, Facebook. If I'm going to Telegram, you're able to see a bot just here named IT Help Chatbot. I can start, the bot and discussing with him. Hi, I would like to reset my password, and the same thing, you can do exactly the same commands behind. To configure with Skype for Business, it's really easy. You just have to, send some command, PowerShell command, and you can register the bot on the fly with the right ID. But you also need on Microsoft Azure a web server in order to be able to answer the request. In my example, I'm using .NET with a serverless bot service in order to be able to send the command I need to my server. Basically, depending on the intent, welcome, buy, or trigger a workflow, I will, start any kind of code in order to send a REST API call inside the bot. So I just need a web server answering the request, and it could be directly on Microsoft Azure using the serverless bot service. You also need LUIS. LUIS is a cognitive services provided by Microsoft, and you need to create, of course, an application inside Microsoft. You can see all the analytics, and the information from Microsoft, but also you can configure the intents like welcome, reset password, and so on. Let's take reset password. You can see all the utterances if I want to reset my password, like I need to get my password reset. Urgently reset my password. Please reset my password, this kind of thing. You can also configure entities if you need, and then you can just, train your bot in order to see if it's working or not working and publish the application. And then behind the scene, it will use the IT chat, help chatbot on bot framework and the Azure bot service. If you need a Skype server, you need to install it somewhere. You can use, like my demo, Office 365, which provide you the ability to have Skype, Microsoft Exchange, Active Directory, all online and SaaS-based. I have just created some fake user, in order to be able to get, the same user experience and you will have with your customers. If you go to IT Chat Helpbot, we do have my bot, IT Help Chatbot, which allows me to talk with my bots.